So we talked about data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, ML engineer, and computer vision engineer or NLP engineer. Hi everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about what are the job options you have if you are already thinking of learning skills required for data science. What are the different jobs available in the market and which job options or career options will be best for you. In the part 2 of this video, we will be talking about how to apply for these jobs on LinkedIn, how to create a good LinkedIn profile that will be required to create your brand. Please do subscribe this video, like this video, and wait for the next part of this video so that it can assist you in your job search journey as well. Thank you. Before starting this video, let me tell you, data science as a career is little different from other positions you can have in IT industry. Why is so? Data science already exceeded a market capitalization of 350 billion US dollar. I don't know what is that number would be in Indian currency. It's so big that I am afraid to calculate it. But it has a huge market capitalization. That means industry are paying heavily in order to execute a data science project. Why is that? Because data science revolves around the word data. Anything and everything today we do, it consumes data, it creates data, it generates more and more bubbles in the internet. And that's what industry are trying to use. They want to analyze their data, their customer data, in order to accelerate the business, faster the growth, and find new avenues where they can expand their business. That's why it's so important to, in today's time, invest in a data science project. Now, that creates a unique opportunity. In any job roles previous to data science, people used to have software skill, or predominantly they used to come from engineering or management background. But right now, IT industry are seeing people who are not essentially coming as a computer science, but a lot of people becoming data science engineer from other domain. People have mechanical degree, civil engineering degree, they are becoming data scientists. With having no engineering degree at all, they are also becoming data scientists. How is it even possible? Let's try to understand what are the different job options you have, what are the roles and responsibility you will have under these jobs, and that will give us a clear picture that even if you do not come from a computer science background, how even for you data science can become a perfect career choice. So first is data scientist. This job option you will see many opening as data scientist. There are three main job roles you can have as a data scientist: junior data scientist, your senior data scientist, and lead data scientist. So a junior data scientist, you can say 0 to 3 or 4 years of experience. 5 to 8 years of experience would be your senior data scientist, and a lead data scientist probably would have 8 to 12 or more than that years of experience. The starting salary in Indian market right now is 6 LPA. If you are a senior data scientist, you can expect 10 to 15 to 20 LPA, and the lead data scientist can expect 20 to 40 LPA of salary package. If you want to know what is the complete roadmap to become a data scientist, although we will be discussing in this video, but I would request you to go to the previous video that we made all about data science, and there I have discussed end-to-end roadmap how you can become data scientist. Please watch the video. If you are not predominantly from computer science background, I would tell you to go for one of the following that we will be discussing now. First option is data analysis. Who should become data analyst? If you really love analyzing data, finding new insight about data, even if you do not have great coding skill, there are skills that will save you. So even if you want to become data analyst, you need maths, stats, not in in depth very well, but some skill you would need. Also, along with that, you need to learn either Python or R. Very essential. Learn any of these two, and that will do your job. And you need to have database skill. Learn relational database, data warehousing, and communication. And visualization like Excel and Power BI. So if you learn basics of Python, you have some statistics skill, and you learn database and Excel or Power BI, Excel and Power BI, you will be able to apply for the job of data analyst. In Indian market right now, the base salary for data analyst job is starting from 4 LPA, and then based on the experience it follows. But it's a really good career choice if you are thinking of switching your career from other domain to data science. Okay. Next up, after data analyst, is a similar career option is business intelligence analyst or business analyst. What are they do is they work with different business like marketing team, finance team, sales team, and try to understand their data, their problem statement, and come up with new problem statement or new solution based on the business requirement. And it's such an exceptional career. Business intelligence analyst or business analyst is the bridge between your technical team and your non-technical team, people who does not understand business and people understand only the technology. Now the bridge between them is the BA, and if you have an exceptional good BA who understand both business and technology, your project delivery or developing any tools becomes very smooth. Now with these regards, if you want to become a BA, you need to understand both business and your technology. And people who are having BBA, MBA degree, some management skills, or you are managing team for a long time, or you are working with business, you do not have any background in technology at all, but probably you are coming from a sales and marketing background or finance background, you can become a business intelligence analyst very well. Learn skills like Python or R, programming language, some mathematics and statistics probably you would already have, and a fantastic communication skill is what you need. Now for data analyst and BA analyst, if you want, I would be creating a full video giving you an end-to-end career path or roadmap for how to become data analyst or BI analyst. Let me know if you need that. Next up is ML engineer. Now here the base salary is similar to what we have in data science, but the job evolves more with modeling. So if you are someone who more than trying to find new insights in data, you are more interested in applying different machine learning models to solve a problem statement, or you are too focused on one specific area of finding the best model, trying to know about new models, you are fascinated about the architecture of these models and which model works best for what problem, then you should become a machine learning engineer. More mathematics awaits you, more complicated libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, you need to be completely fluent in this, along with the complete data science roadmap. These will be an addition to it. It's a difficult career path, but a very enjoyable ride if you really motivated for that. So last thing is two specialized career path, computer vision engineer and NLP engineer. Now if you are an ML engineer, if you want to become machine learning engineer, but you are fascinated to work with data like images or videos, you should become computer vision engineer. On the other hand, aim is to become a machine learning engineer, but you are really fascinated about handling text data or all your professional experience regarding handling text data, you should become or you should target to become or apply jobs for natural language processing engineer. So that's about it. So we talked about data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, ML engineer, and computer vision engineer, or NLP engineer. These are the career option you would have. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. In the part 2 of this video, we will be talking about how to apply for these jobs on LinkedIn, how to create a good LinkedIn profile that will be required to create your brand. Please do subscribe this video, like this video, and wait for the next part of this video so that it can assist you in your job search journey as well.